how to use the Restream site for beginners. Okay, in this video I'll be showing you how you can use the Restream site to get more watch time hour and more subscribers, step by step guide. Hello my beautiful people, my name is Nonye and this is Nonye Tutor Zone. On this channel, I create tutorial videos on how to make money online and YouTube growth tips. If you like the vibe or this is the kind of video that you love, please do well to like, share, comment and subscribe. Okay, make sure to turn the notification button on so that you'll be the first person to get my videos whenever I post them. Okay, all right, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In my last video, I told you guys that you can actually use Restream site to get more watch time hour and more subscribers. Yes, I said that. And I created a video about it and some people chatted me that I should break it down for beginners, okay, who haven't used the site before. So that is what I'm going to be showing you in this particular video, okay. This is going to be like teaching a baby, okay, like a Montessori kind of video. Is it Montessori or Montessori? Whatever. Whatever, guys. So that's the kind of video that I'm going to show you right now. Okay. So before we start, first and foremost, you must make sure you create that video. Okay. Maybe you have an already made video. Okay. Or maybe you have someone else's video that you want to use. I always advise people to use their own video. If you must use somebody else's video, there are ways to do that, which I'll be showing you in my next video. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so I want to go straight to the point. Okay, let me teach you the purpose of this video, which is how to use the Restream app. Okay, then maybe in my next video I will show you how you can edit someone else's video, how you can take video from TikTok, from Instagram, you edit it properly without having a copyright strike. I hope you get it. So let's just dive right into today's video. Okay, so today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Restream site as a beginner who wants to start getting watch hour and subscribers on YouTube. Sorry, I'm sweating. They just took the light. There's no light, but I must post that video regardless. Okay, so let's just go straight into the video. Okay.
Okay, so if you're just starting out with the Restream for the first time, okay, all you just need to do is to come to your Google, go ahead and type restream.io, restream.io, okay. So just go ahead and do that. So once you have done that, this first one, click on it. Okay, so now it will bring you to this place for you to sign up for free. Okay, so just go ahead and sign up for free. Okay, you can use your Google. Like me, I want to use my Google. Okay, don't forget is the email that you use for that your YouTube channel that you are going to connect. Okay, the email you use for your YouTube channel, do not forget, that is what you are going to be clicking. Okay, so at this point it has brought me to this place. Okay, so I'll just close up this place. Okay, so all you need to do is this place you see new, go ahead, click on new. Okay, so it will bring you to this place you see Restream Studio, go ahead and click on it. So we'll give it time for it to do it.
Okay, so it has brought us to this place. Okay, you can see my email, my YouTube name is showing Nonye Tutor Zone. So click on enter studio. Okay, go ahead and click on enter studio. Give it some time for it to join. Okay, give it some time. Okay, so at this point now there are vital things you should take note of. Okay, number one is your microphone. Okay, your number one is your microphone. This is the icon over here, and another thing is your camera.
okay, this is also the icon of your camera over here. Make sure there is a slash on it. The reason why there should be a slash on it, it should be showing red and there should be a slash on it, is for you to make sure that your mic is muted and your camera is muted. Okay, once you click on it, it will unmute. Once you click on it again, it will mute. So make sure yours is showing red, just like my own. It is muted with a slash on it. That shows it is muted. Take note of this. Except you don't want to do a silent live stream, you want them to hear your voice and you want your camera, your face to show, then go ahead and leave it turned on. But if you don't want your face to show, is a silent live stream you want to do, make sure it is in this format. So next thing you need to click on, you see this 3 dotted line closer to it. Okay, so this is a 3 dotted line downwards here. Just go ahead, click on it. Now you see this place they say video, just go ahead, click on video. Okay, it will bring you to this place. So this place is where you just upload any video. Just don't allow it to be more than 3 minutes. Let's say maybe 3 minutes and something seconds video is okay. If it's more than 3 minutes, they will not allow you to upload it because this is a free version, except you want to pay for the pro version. That is when you can upload as much video as you like. So go ahead, click on upload. Just let's choose one of this video here. Let's take this one, click on done. Okay, now it will process. Okay, we'll just have to give it time. It is uploading. After it uploads, it will start processing, you know, so it takes a little bit time over here. Okay, so it has finished processing. Okay, so you can see the video over there. The next thing you need to do is just to tap on the video. Just click on it. Okay, just like this, click on it, then it will bring you to this place. Okay, so once it brings you to this place, make sure that this blue line you are seeing here, this particular icon, is on this first one. Make sure that is number 1. Then number 2, the next thing you need to do is to come to this place. You see the video is playing. You can see this 3 dotted line. Just click on it and click on loop. Okay, for you to get the 3 dotted line, tap on the video that is playing. You will see the 3 dotted line upwards over there on top of the video. You click on it and you click on loop. It will just loop. The reason why we are looping it is for the video to continue to play. Since it's a short clip, it will play for so many hours. It will continue to loop, as in it will continue to play. After it has ended, it's playing on its own until when you are tired to end the live stream. I hope we all understand. I hope this is clear. Okay, so just click on it ahead to just make sure that it is loop. So it's very simple. Okay, so once you have done that, the next thing you need to do is, you see this place they say channel. Okay, it's for you to go there and add your channel. You click on it to bring you to this place. You see where they say YouTube, just click on connect. Okay, once you click on connect, it will take you to your Google. Okay, for you to go and add your email again, that's your YouTube email. Just click on your email via Google, then just give it, follow the prompt, give it the access, click on continue. Okay, it will just ask you question, just click on continue. Okay, it wants you to give it access. Okay, so go ahead, click on continue. At this point, it will take you to the next phase. Okay, so at this point it's taking you back to the Restream app, Restream site. Okay, so right now you can see my own name is connected, Nonye Tutor. You can see it. So all I need to do is I just toggle it on. Okay, I'll click on this particular place now you are seeing, and I will just go ahead and toggle it on. Okay, once I toggle it on, I click on save. Okay, so that's just it. Okay, so once you click on save, it's going to bring you to this particular place. Okay, so once it brings you here, you can see where your YouTube name will be showing. So if your YouTube name is not showing here, that means you have not connected it. Okay, so next thing, click on this pencil icon. Okay, this pencil icon over here to input your title. Okay, so just choose any title of your choice of the video. For this video, I'll just use relaxing ASMR. Okay, use any title of your choice. Okay, then click on save. Okay, at this point, once you click on save, the next thing you need to do is to come downwards this place. Okay, you can see here where this blue something is showing is for you to choose the portrait that you want. I normally go for this first portrait. Okay, but if you like, you can choose any other one that you want, but for me,
I like to go for this first portrait, okay? Yeah, because that is the Restream portrait, okay? So just that is what I like to choose. But if you don't like it, go ahead, choose any one of your choice, okay? For me, I go for the first one all the time. So next thing you need to do after doing that is to click on the video. Like this video you are seeing here on the screen, just click on it, okay? Once you click on it, you see this 3 dotted line, okay? Click on loop video. Okay, the reason why we are looping the video is because we want the video to play often and often until we are tired. This is a silent video and the clip is a short clip, so for the video not to stop, you want it to continue to play over and over. That's the reason why we are doing the loop video, okay? So at this point, the next thing you need to do is to click on this place, okay? Once you click on this message icon, it will bring you here. So all you need to do now at this point is just for you to click on go live. So after you click on go live, so it will be connecting. You just wait for it. 3 2 1 go. So you can see you are live already. You can see the timer is reading at this point. So at this point you are live. Just make sure to reply to comments, okay? When people comment, just reply if possible. But if not possible, drop your phone somewhere, go and do your day-to-day activities. Then after you have stayed for 3 hours, 4 hours or 5 hours, you can now come and click on end screen. You can see this place they wrote end screen, okay? Let me show you guys. Just click on this particular point here, you see end screen, and once you click on the end screen, the video has ended, okay? So this is the end screen. So guys, that's just all for it, and that's it. Once you end the live, that is just it, okay? So at this point we have come to the end of this video. I hope you gained value. If you gain value, please go ahead, type in the comment section I gained value. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.